In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can play a 1v1 custom game with a friend here in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. This is super simple to do, so we're going to dive straight into this, but before we do, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, even though I don't have any friends online right now to show it, the steps are actually extremely easy. First things first, go ahead and select find a match, and then down at the very bottom go ahead and select private match. From here, go ahead and select create private match, and there's two ways your friend can join. You can invite them directly from your friends list, or you can give them the game code, which is going to be shown all the way up at the very top right here. If they enter in that game code, they'll be able to join instantly, and they do that from that same page that you just selected, create a private match. There's a join a private match option on there. If you want to just invite them, simply go ahead and hit this little plus arrow, hit invite player, choose one of your friends and invite them. It really is as simple as that. But once they're in, you could set up your 1v1 however you'd like. You could select your mode. Free for all is the standard for 1v1s. Then you could choose your map. Personally, until they add Nuketown into the game, I would just recommend doing Hijack because it is the best 1v1 map right now, but it's totally up to you. You could also adjust your scoring, the time limits, your health settings, and anything you want under the game setup options right here and the rules. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.